MTG question number 53, relative velocity. This is point x, this is point y, this is the path. A bus moves with some velocity, with some speed, but it reaches from x to y in time t. This is the path of bus. Same time it takes to reach from y to x. Now this was only for bus. Now there's a girl on the scooty who drives from village X to village Y. But in that situation, in the same if the bus is driving the same direction as the girl, then the bus will cross the girl in time t1 is equal to 60 minutes. मतलब this girl is going and this bus is at the stop. She reaches some position X, then the bus will start and slowly in 60 minutes of the time gap. This time gap is 60 minutes from bus, which बस अगर लड़की को जितने टाइम में ओवरटेक करेगा ना वो टाइम है t इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स. सो बस लड़की को 60 मिनट्स में ओवरटेक करेगा. नाउ इन केस 3 बस y से शुरू होके x की तरफ जा रहे हैं. देखो दोनों केसेस में लड़की इस तरफ ही जाएगी x to y. बस फर्स्ट केस में बस x to y जा रहा है, सेकेंड केस में y to x जा रहा है, मतलब गर्ल के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. तो बस लड़की को पीछे छोड़ के आगे कब जाएगा? इन t इज इक्वल टू 10 मिनट्स. एवरी 10 मिनट्स वन बस विल पास हर. ठीक है. सो what we have to find the velocity of this bus. We are not given the velocity of this scooty also. Okay, we'll find according to that. So जितना मुझे याद है, this is the only information which was given in the book. Sorry, I guess this was 30 minutes. I don't remember. This was 30 minutes. Okay, sorry. We are given with the velocity of scooty. Velocity of scooty was given. Velocity of scooty is equal to 60 kmph, kilometer per hour. Velocity of bus, that we don't know, and we have to find this out also. And time, with we are given two forms of time. We'll check it out with that. We don't know the distance between x and y. Okay, so see, so first of all we know a simple formula that s is equal to, speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll send time over there. It will become speed, velocity into time is equal to distance. And now distance, here we have two perspectives. Okay, we saw here ki there was a distance gap between the initial position of bus and the scooty, which we denoted as x. So we have to go with that distance. It's that, what is this distance? Basically it was the distance which the bus traveled to overtake this girl. So this is not the distance of bus or this girl. It was basically the relative values of these both. So basically, so we have to equate two terms, which are the velocity of bus and the relative velocities of bus and scooty. Okay, they both will be equal. So first distance was this, which is velocity of bus with into time taken by bus is t. Now we are given in the question. And the next other distance was velocity of bus with respect to velocity of scooty into its time t1. Wait, so vb minus vs, why we are taking, because um, this bus and scooty are going in the same direction. Okay, so as the bus goes, as the bus moves towards the um, scooty, the relative velocities will decrease now. The bus will go nearer to scooty, so the distance will decrease, the value will decrease. But whereas here what is happening, the bus is coming opposite to scooty, so matlab they both are going towards each other, so the velocity will be more, you know the relative velocity will be more. मतलब अगर probabilities देखे तो मैं तेरे पीछे भागूं और तू मेरे से दूर भागे, तो the probability of me catching you is a bit less compared to if you are running towards me and I am running towards you, है ना. तो the relative velocity will be more in opposite direction and less in same direction. तो minus करें, so these both values will be equal. We'll write VBT is equal to VB minus VS into T1. Now we don't know VBT values. Okay, we don't know velocity of bus, we don't know time taken by the bus. Okay, these are the things which we have to actually find the answer from. VB we don't know, minus velocity of scooty, we have seen that it is 60 kmph, kilometer per hour, into, and the time which we were given was 30 minutes. In same direction, bus will overtake the girl in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I don't need to write 30 minutes. 30 is enough. So we have got equation number 1. मतलब for case 1 we got now. For this we derived this. Now for case 2 we have to derive same thing. VBT is same, velocity of bus into time is equal to, now here we did minus, here we have to do plus. क्यों? क्योंकि both are opposite direction, both are moving towards each other, so relative velocity will increase. मतलब see, if this girl is stationary and the bus is moving towards her, she will feel that bus is moving towards her with a speed, okay, normal speed. Okay, got it. Now VBT is equal to velocity of bus plus velocity of scooty into T2. We don't know VBT, so we'll write VBT only is equal to velocity of bus also we don't know, plus velocity of scooty is 60 km per hour into T2. We have got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, so this is VBT and this is VBT, so we equate this and this is equation number 2 now. So we equate them. VB minus VS into 30 30 is equal to VB plus VS into 10. From here it is very simple. You cut 0 here, 0 here, this will become 3 now, so multiply now. Oh sorry, this VS was 60, this was 60, my bad, sorry. So 3 into पहले this 3 VB minus 180, 3 6 180 now. Now 1 here, so nothing will happen actually. VB plus 60 here. Okay, we have VB values in both. पहले we'll send this 180 over there. 3 VB is equal to, okay, we'll send simultaneously, we'll send at the same time. We'll send 180 here, we'll send VB here. So VB 3 VB minus VB minus होगा. Okay, multiply it will not happen. Okay, here it is plus now, plus, so here minus 3 VB minus VB is equal to, here 180 minus में है, यहाँ plus में होगा, 180 plus 60 240. Okay, this will become 3 VB minus VB will be 2 VB. Don't think that VB will cut. No, it will not happen. 3 apple minus 1 apple is 2 apple, no? 240, cut, VB we got 120, okay, 120 kilometer per hour. So velocity of bus is 120 kilometer per hour. Now what you have to do is you have to put this thing in here and here. I'll say you wait. We got equation 1 now, sorry 2 now, VBT now, VB के place में 120 we can put into T. We don't know the time yet. And 120 plus 60 है ना, the velocity of bus plus velocity of scooty into time 10 now. So this 0 and 0 will cut now. So 12t is equal to 120 plus 60 is 180. 180. Will multiply with 6. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 6 30s are, okay. T. Now send that 2 here. T is equal to 30 by 2, which is 15 minutes. Okay, simple.